lot of times, you may need additional applications to supplement your Windows 10 installation. To find and install them, you need to navigate to Microsoft Store, which is available right from your Start menu. To do that, let's type Microsoft Store in the Start menu. It launches Microsoft Store, and typically what I'm looking for is productivity apps, but your interests might be different. For example, if you click on the Office 365, it offers you to download or sign up for a subscription, pay either biannually or pay monthly. And as part of this subscription, you will get access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, and Publisher and Access. One of the best and coolest features of Microsoft Store is the ability to shop in one place and find what you're looking for. For example, if we go to Home, you can navigate through different categories like gaming, entertainment, productivity, and search for deals. It used to be that you have to go online and find applications for Windows platform from a lot of different publishers, but now Microsoft Store centralizes it. Another cool thing about Store is Microsoft vetting a lot of applications before they publish them in the store, which means that they protect you against potential vulnerabilities, as a lot of hackers try to pose as the valid application providers, making you download apps and then make your system vulnerable so they can access and steal information. So getting it from Microsoft Store a lot of times is a way of protecting yourself against that. What are the other features of Windows 10 you use on a daily basis? Can you please post them in the comments of this video so we all can learn? Thank you very much. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.